In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make a video using Leonardo AI, all in just 5 minutes. Whether you're a creator, a business owner, or just someone curious about AI, this powerful tool can help you produce stunning videos quickly. Let's dive into the process step by step, ensuring you have a smooth and enjoyable experience. First, you'll need to sign into your Leonardo.ai account. If you haven't set up your account yet, take a moment to do so because it's crucial for accessing all the features we'll be using today. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the Leonardo.ai dashboard, where all the magic happens. Next, you want to turn your attention to the left menu. Here, you'll see a few options, and for this task, you should select either video or motion, depending on precisely what you're aiming to create. These sections are designed to guide you towards developing either static frame videos or ones with more dynamic elements. This is your creative control hub, so feel free to explore what each option offers. Now it's time to choose your source and model. Leonardo AI provides several preset models tailored to different storytelling styles and aesthetics. Think about the kind of video you want to create. Is it dramatic, informative, or playful? Your choice here will influence the look and feel of the final output. Take some time to browse through the available models and select one that aligns with your vision. After picking your model, the next step is to set the basic clip parameters. This involves deciding on various details like the length, resolution, and other specifics of your video clip. This step is crucial because it sets the foundation for your video's quality and delivery. Be sure to adjust these settings to fit your needs, whether it's for a quick social media post or a detailed presentation. Once your parameters are in place, it's time to generate a preview. This feature is incredibly handy because it allows you to see a rough cut of your video before committing to the final version. Check everything from pacing to visuals, ensuring it aligns with your initial goal. This step provides a chance to make any necessary tweaks to ensure your vision is being accurately translated through the AI. Finally, when you're satisfied with the preview, go ahead and export. Leonardo AI will stitch together the clips into a cohesive video. This process doesn't take long thanks to the platform's efficient rendering capabilities. Once completed, you'll have your final video ready to share or publish across your desired platforms. And there you have it. In just a few easy steps, you've successfully created a video using Leonardo AI. With practice, these tasks will become second nature, allowing you to focus more on creativity and storytelling. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide has empowered you to explore video creation in new and exciting ways.